So we are here in Canibad Beach. After Canibad Beach, we drove about 45 minutes to the other side of the island to reach a place called Putian, which in English means White Island Beach. Unfortunately, when we were leaving Canibad Beach, I tried to do a certain drone shot and ended up crashing the drone. And as you can see, the gimbal is no longer operational, so the stabilization is no longer existent. So please excuse my aerial footage from now on. Are you willing to risk it?
Yes, as long as I can pay it.
So he's gonna park and we're gonna go inside. Kaputian Beach. As you can see, the view is amazing. It's insane. It's beautiful. There's another island over there, but we don't have time to go there, unfortunately, as we have to go. But yeah, so show you around. As it says over there, I love Samal Island. Well, I love Samal. That's the name of the island. As you can see, they have places to hang out. And no smoking, most importantly, anywhere at all. The place is beautiful, beautiful. So is there tents or what?
Yeah, then
You can bring your own
yeah,
or
you
rent?
can bring. Then also they think they have a year for rent. And then
See? You can rent folding bed, banig, tent. What's banig?
is mat.
Mat. Mat. The place is amazing. It's beautiful. So that was our journey in Samal Island. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and a subscription would be massively appreciated. And I'll catch you guys on the next travel video. I'm doing this part to let you guys know that our flight is delayed for 10 hours and to just show another side of the travel, because it's not always glamorous, it's not always successful. Sometimes you have downs as well. So yeah, it's delayed due to weather. There's a typhoon in Manila, so we were not the flight got delayed. Right now it's 10. We have 4 more hours to go. The check-in is gonna open at 4 o'clock Hong Kong time. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that there's always another side to the travel. The fun you see and the amazing places and stuff always come at a cost, you know? Sometimes it's the ticket cost, sometimes it's the comfort, sometimes it's the inconveniences, you know? It's just these things, you will run into them eventually, especially in December, where most of the flights are full or the weather is not really exemplary. But anyway, we'll make it there, inshallah. Let's see. Hopefully there won't be any further delay. Otherwise, I'll let you guys know. Peace.